And hoping that you all are doing fine and your studies are going well. So guys, most of the students are worried about just because of a tweet. The past president Rakesh sir has mentioned that in his tweet that yes, all mode of examination will be still open. Okay, so now this will create a confusion among the all the student and they are worried about the meaning. Okay, as you know that now the student are making up his mind for yes, they have considered that the exam will take place in online manner. Okay, but now these kind of tweet will create confusion among the student. Okay, earlier we have seen that due to delay in the announcement of result date, we have seen fake news in the form of fake news. Okay, now institute is doing the same, delaying the you can see that delaying the information providing to the student that key the exam pattern will be in online or offline. Yes, as in the in the different form they are accepting that we are going with the online. Okay, but this will create the problem or confusion among the student. Okay, so it is my humble request to institute soon as possible release the notification or information that yes, we are going with the June 21 online examination. So yes, so that a student will get relief. Okay, and if you are talking about my suggestion, I will give you my opinion that you need not to worry. Okay, we have to wait for official notification from institute side. Okay, but still I can say to every June 21 appearing student that you have to work and study according to June 21 exams is going for online. Okay, you need not to panic. That is why I'm creating the video so that you get the information. Okay, now these kind of tweet creating confusion among the student. We all need to respect our mother institute, CMA institute, and all the CCM and the president and past president. Okay, but these kind of tweets will create a issue or problem or confusion among the student. Okay, so hoping that soon institute will clarify all these confusions among the students. Okay, but my suggestion is that you need to prepare according to online examinations. Okay, and yes, some of the students are still confusing that due to PIL in Supreme Court, whether the result for home based exam student will held. So my answer is a no. No is my answer. In 29 March you are going to receive your results. Hoping that you are my getting my point, and best of luck for all those students. Okay, so bye guys.